Namaskar, Kemonacho to all lovely super mothers. Welcome to Super Mother Unleashed. Recently, I have analyzed one positive thing happened in our life is we have stopped eating from outside, and for me, this is a very good habit we have been practicing in our life. Hence, I have decided to talk about how beneficial this is and how it will help us stay away from unwanted flu and tummy infections, especially for kids. Homemade food for baby, toddler, kids are always the best option to keep them healthy and infection-free. As per my own experience, I have realized why this habit is so powerful and it can change our kids' life in a better prospect. One of the most prominent reasons to offer homemade food to our kids because it has power-packed nutrition. When I cook at home, it's completely in my hand to add as much as nutritional value in my daughter's food, which is completely healthy and packed with nutrition. Second very important thing why I prefer to offer homemade food to my daughter is there is no additive. Cooking meal for my daughter at home has no preservatives which can harm her and later stage can create issues in our body. This assurance we can only have when we cook at home because ordering from restaurant might attract lots of preservatives components which is mixed in the food and not at all healthy for kids' body. Tasty food attract every kid's tongue. Even I have seen with my daughter also. If the food doesn't look good but tasty, then she loves to eat and asks for more. Cooking food at home even enhances the taste. Every food has their own taste and it remains taste effective when you cook at home. This process helps kids to develop their in-house taste and later stage it also encourages them to indulge in homely cooked food. I can understand cooking every time at home become tiring too for mothers. But for the well-being of our kids' health, it's always fruitful. One of the major reasons why I always prefer to choose to cook at home because whatever I feel, I can cook for my daughter as per my wish. Changing the food plan, introducing new vegetable in my way. Those all are possible only when I will cook at home. There are various vegetables and food choices which generally you can't get in restaurant menu. But when we choose to cook at home, we can easily try out new recipes and offer our kids. Even with this process, we have our control over adding several additional mixtures which we use to enhance the taste. We human beings takes time to change our habit. But from early age, if we make a habit to feed our kids homemade food, that's become a natural practice for them in longer run. And they will feel like eating home food rather than eating out, which is completely unhealthy and having poor nutritional value. Every habit starts with us and it continues as long as we want. The same way, if we inculcate this practice to cook at home and eat, that will definitely become a healthy habit for the family. In this COVID scenario, we can easily observe our child behavior where they hardly talk about eating outside food. Rather than they demand from mother to cook some tasty and healthy food which they feel like eating at home. I have realized seeing my daughter every day talking about something new to cook and offer her. Change in behavior can change our kids' lifestyle. It's just the thought process. So with that, we have come to the end of this episode and please do share this podcast with your friends, your colleagues and all the mothers in your network. I would also like to request all my listeners to please share your thoughts, views, feedback about today's episode, and if you have any topic on which you want me to cover on my podcast, please write to me. Love to receive your comment. I will see you next week. Till then, bye-bye.